Yeah, I think it's going to be a little offset. Oh well. If it is, I guess. I mean, technically it's not too late to pick up the bottom one, but I had a reason for picking it, so. It's like building a fire reflector. At this point in my life, I've never made one. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Damn it. The reason I say that is it's not going to be as tall. Shoot. That means this one has to come out. Alrighty, so there's the wall. I think I took a before and after. If I did, I will roll the photos in. Seems pretty solid. I'll probably trim these off at another time. So now I'll leave them up, let it kind of settle. And then let's see, what time is it? You know, time is always a factor. It is 10 minutes after 12 noon. I don't want to be out here super late. I don't want to go home and relax. It's my day off, so I think what I'm going to have to do, as much as I want to do the firewood shelter, I guess I could still do it. I'm debating. I might do lunch, but kind of what I want to do is I want to do a wall from here up. So that means I just have to sit here and cut a bunch of wood down to fit this length, and then do the firewood shelter, well, and then do the firewood shelter basically here and then back. So do like a lean-to for firewood, and I got a couple of heavy mill compactor bags, one for the ground and one for the top. So I'm gonna have to put in a post here, and then just tie them off and run them down. I mean, I might have to move that pile of wood again. So let's see how that goes. I mean, it's not like I'm in a huge rush to get this done. I mean, it's going to get done. It's just a matter of when, and you know, time and calories and energy. I mean, I'm still feeling fairly energetic, so it's not like I'm falling overtired. But I'll just have to, I might go ahead and do lunch, and then while I'm eating, I'll think about it. So. Alright. I was wrong about these. Well, one, I was wrong about the amount of water. I'm glad I had a measuring cup. It only called for a cup and a third. And then you only have to wait 5 minutes. So, opposed to like 20. That's good to know. Chicken and rice is one of my favorites. I really like the flavor. So I didn't record it, but I was just doing a little recon around the area. And one thing I'm always doing. Whew. Besides burning my mouth, there's a lot of vegetables in here. I don't remember there being that many vegetables. Anyway, one thing I was doing is I was doing the recon. I didn't go very far, but I'm always thinking about my next videos, or my next series, or my next project. Now I actually have a spot over here that I've got 2 ideas I'm going to be doing for sure. I mean, I'm definitely going to sleep in here, but I've got 2 ideas over there I'm going to do. And I saw a spot over there I could put my military pup tent. Which, yeah, I didn't forget about that. And that's happening as well. So, already found 2 trees for my hammock. Oh, yeah. I got the lean-to behind me. Because we're off the beaten path, you know, no one really comes back here, I suspect. Except for whoever built this. But, I mean, there's firewood everywhere. So I don't have to worry about firewood. Man, a hot meal is really hitting the spot. I mean, say what you will about Mountain House, but hot meal on a chilly day. It's good stuff. Well, I guess I'll eat off camera. Alrighty, so now that lunch is done, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pack up and go. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but you know, I did get something done. It's not like I did nothing. So just putting all this stuff inside the lean-to, so it's not exposed to the rain. It's supposed to rain pretty hard the next like 5 days, so I mean, I can't stop moisture from getting in there, but, or you know, moisture in the air, I should say, but it's a good start. It gives me some ideas for next time. There we go. Also, I want to measure this. Maybe look into some plastic. So, let's see. Perfect. So, 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 feet long. I think it might be 8 by 10 tarp. It'd probably be enough. Go all the way across and then 8 feet down. It doesn't have to go all the way down to the ground, but you go a foot over 10 feet. I think that would do. Gotta write that down. I actually brought a notepad. Did I bring a pen? Yes, I did. So, 10 feet across. I think an 8 by 10 would be more than enough. 8 by 10 tarp. So, Harbor Freight should have some for cheap. So, kick ass. Okay, so what I did is I wrote him a note, and the note says, "Hello, I found your shelter on 12/24/2020. Love it, great job. I cleaned it up a little and did some maintenance. I plan to sleep here sooner or later." That's all I wrote, because if I put my name and number and a ranger finds it, I don't know what the fine for leaving a shelter up is, but I don't really want to get, even if it's $100, I don't want to have to pay a $100 fine for somebody else's work. I don't really have $100. Well, I kind of do, but it'd be a pain to have to pay a fee. Otherwise, I would leave my channel business card so they could check out what I've been doing with their shelter. So it'd be interesting to see if they manage to come out here and if they find it. So here's a note, Ziploc baggie. I'm gonna put it in the shelter. I thought about just pinning it up, but I think they're gonna see it. I mean, the wind could blow it away, so I think I might do this. Just put a log on it. Well, of course it has to do that. There we go. So if they come out here and find it, great, they'll see it. If not, well, I tried. So, also wrote down the measurements for the tarp. So I think I'm going to pack up, put everything away, and take off. So as always, I thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on this project. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so. And I'll catch you in the next one. Man, I gotta tell you, I gotta be totally honest with you. One of the things that really kills it for me out here is all the damn gunfire. It's just been rapid fire day. I don't know if you can hear that over camera, but that's been going since I got here. I mean, I like guns. I really like guns. But it's like, come on, guys. I wish there was an area I could go to that didn't have gunfire. Or at least so much. But, what are you gonna do? Maybe I'll bring my little 22 out here sometime. I'll bring a couple of monster cans and I'll go plink up against the stump or something. It could be fun. It won't be as noisy.